Hello folks, Eric here. In this video I'm going to be comparing two solutions. Those solutions will be AVG free and Avast Endpoint Security. The reason why I'm doing this is because I need to compare an existing solution to a potential new solution. The high school that I go to, I'm a senior, I'm about ready to graduate, can't believe it, but anyways, I'm doing an internship there. I'm helping out with IT, and one issue that we're kind of touching on as I do my internship is the security software. Right now we are using AVG free, and I've made us aware that we have access to the Avast Free for Schools program, and what that means basically is if you're a nonprofit, you can sign up and you can get Avast Endpoint Security for up to 30,000 devices at no cost. So that's what we're thinking about doing. We just want to see how my Avast solution with my Avast configurations that I use, we want to see how it'll compare to the AVG free stock installation that we've been using. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I've got two virtual machines. They were a few minutes ago exact clones of each other until I changed two icons on the desktop. Well, I put two installers on the desktop, one for Avast, one for AVG. One clone is AVG, and then the other clone is Avast. I will be turning one of these off. Okay, I'll start out with AVG. I'll go through and install, and I need to also grab some links to some malware. I'm probably going to use malcode. I'm going to kind of check and see where I can get some good links at before I actually start this video. The video will be kind of set up in segments. So I'll get those links and I'll test out AVG and we'll kind of look at how it does, and then we'll move over to Avast Endpoint. I got a trial that I'm going to run, and we're going to see how that compares. So also I'm going to do my configurations. I'm going to show my configurations, and we'll just have to see. Alright, so here's part two. I got an Excel spreadsheet. I got 25 links. Hopefully they all work, at least most of them. What I'm going to do, if the program catches it, it gets a 1. If not, it gets a 0. If I'm not sure, it gets a question mark. So as I go on down the line, that's what I'm going to do. So first I'm starting with AVG. Go over here to the virtual machine for AVG. Gonna go ahead and close out the browser window and get started with the installation. Let's take a look. First, let me let this initialize. Thanks for your patience. You're welcome. Okay, so I don't interrupt that process. Okay. Okay, we have a 32-bit version of Windows 7 Professional. Okay, I do not have it activated yet. I've given it 2 cores in my CPU. It's got 4 gigs of RAM. It only sees 3.5 because it's a 32-bit OS. If you go over here, you can see it's got two cores. So this is a pretty good simulation of a real-life situation. So this works pretty well for a virtual machine. Okay, so I'm going to hit next here. I'm going to accept, and I'm only going to select basic protection. I'm going to hit next. Okay. And I'm just going to let it do... I'm going to let it do an express install because I think that's what we normally do. Okay. I'm going to let it download these files. Okay, I'm just putting it on a stopwatch, get a general idea of how long it takes to install, actually download. Which on my internet connection, it can take some time. Well, any internet connection can take some time, but it can vary. Okay, so I downloaded that. It's going through the install. I also want to mention on both these machines I have Adobe Reader installed as well as Java runtime environment. Okay, so kind of test out exploits, although I haven't installed the latest version, so most likely exploits will not work, but it's there if I need it, so never know what I'm gonna run into when I do these videos. Or, well, do these tests. I rarely do videos. Okay, so the installation ain't too bad. At least on this machine, it's going pretty quick. Quicker than anything else I've ever done this installation on. Okay. Sure, why not? While I'm just doing a test, I might as well help them improve their product. Okay, I'm gonna hit finish, and it's updating. Okay, I need to let it update before it gets started. And I'm gonna go ahead and reboot once it updates. Oh. I wanted to do this. I want to go all the way through just to show how long it takes to update. So, the installation's only with the update is gonna take, looks like, about 3 minutes. I'm getting close to 3 minutes now, which really isn't bad. Really isn't bad at all. If I made configuration changes, I'd have time to do that while it's updating. Oh, okay, that's cool. You can mouse over it and see the status. I like that. 60%. We want to see 100. Okay, so it just kicked over and bam, update complete. So good. We're in pretty well good shape. I'm just gonna go ahead and reboot to make sure it's fully installed. It's done everything it needs to do. Reboot should not take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and time the boot up after the installation. And now, if you hear the beep in the background, it's my stopwatch. See how it affects the boot time. Once I get past the Windows welcome screen, that's when I'm Windows welcome screen, and I get Internet Explorer open. That's when I'll stop the time. So right now I'm in getting close to 30 seconds. Browser open, Google up. Okay, so they took about 52 seconds. Okay, so that's good. Let me just record that. AVG boot up time 52 seconds. Okay. Alright, so I can get rid of that. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'm just going to go over here to malcode. Whoops. Sorry. Numlock isn't enabled. Okay, tools. Search the database. Alright, let's look at our first link. joydownload.com. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. Okay, I'm going to hit run. And it's asking me what I want to do. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit protect me. Okay, so it removed the file. That's good. Okay. I'd rather see it do it automatically. There's probably a setting in there. Okay, so that one, hey, it gets a 1. Oh, shoot. 1. Might help if... Gosh, I'm not winning today. Okay, so the next one... Second one on the list. Run. Run. Okay, it's doing things. Don't know what it's doing. Really don't. CPU usage is, well, actually normal. Nothing really funky here. Don't see really anything. Oh, wow. That might be something. Something's going on in the background. Okay. Oh, gosh, this is annoying. That's one thing I don't like about a default installation AVG. Okay. Okay, so I'll let that one through. One thing I forgot to mention is that I have to turn off my Avast, okay, on my desktop because it will block URLs. Okay, so okay, so I'm gonna give that one a 0. I got nothing. Okay, the next link. Next one in line. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and run that. Sure. Fantastic. Oh yeah, of course. We want to install Java. It appears to be fake. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's install this junk. Go ahead and annoy me. Oh, yeah. Java installer minimized. Yeah, that happens every day. Oh! Okay. Let it do its thing. Okay. Hey! Hey! It caught it, looks like. Okay. Protect me. Okay. Successfully removed. Hey, it detected adware. Okay, you're just really making this complicated now. Go ahead and remove selected. Close this page. Close. No, I'm not going to install Flash. I wish I did earlier. Oh. Close. Oh! Let's see where else this will take us. Okay, it's just registration. Never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna hit exit. Yay, I got some junk on my PC. So... oh, shoot. Restore last session. Give it a second. Sure, why not? Let's go ahead and let Flash install. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna say it caught something. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 1. Actually, I'm gonna give it a 1/2 because it's still at that junk run. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to this one now. Oh yeah, let it run. Installation successful. Okay, don't really know what that was. Maybe contained Trojan or something, but I'm gonna say okay, I'm gonna say junk. That was kind of whoops. Where'd that come from? 1/2. Oh, I see what it wants to do. Okay. 1-2. Nope, it's gonna do it again, I bet. One, 2. We'll do that. Okay, so the next one, Johnny.exe. Interesting. I'm gonna see how Johnny runs on my computer. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and disregard because I'm an idiot. Protect me. Successfully removed. Good job. Good job, AVG. Okay. Let's move on to this one. Run. This might be some junk again. Oh yeah. Optimizer Flight Max. Okay, we got an unresponsive system. Just gonna minimize this one. Okay, it wants to close my browser. Great. Leave me alone. Okay, so on that one, I'm gonna give it a 0. Alright. Political issues. Alright, let's see. Oh gosh. And wants to redirect. Oh, Internet Explorer stopped working. Yes. Oh. Tools. Malware database. Okay, it's slow. Let's look at these political issues here. Okay, I want to see what these are all about. Oops. There. Oh yeah. Community toolbar. Oh, I agree, definitely. You're welcome. Oh. Yeah, why don't we? Okay. And then don't know what the heck is going on, so okay, sure, thanks. Let's give this one a 0. Now this is more so adware. Shoot. Website force. Add-ons.exe. I think I dealt with this one the other night. Oh yeah, run. Yeah, this does some weird thing. Yep. I'm gonna call it junk. Junk. Let's move on. Oh, okay. It's the one with Opera. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, we're gonna update Opera here. Disregard. Okay, AVG got it. Protect me. Successfully removed. Oh, gonna close this. So, good job, AVG. So far, you've done half. Which a lot of this is just like adware and stuff. Okay. Disregard. Sure. Oh yeah. I want a new player. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna keep hitting next because I don't know what to do. Oh, there goes my browser again. Oh, complete miss. Oh, found something. Let's change that. Good job. Protect me. Now at this point, I'm just gonna be like, no. But, oh, it does that anyways. Okay. Next one. Oh yeah, you're welcome. Tools? Oh yeah, this is working great. Oh, you got a nice little pop-up here. Okay. Yeah, get rid of this. Alright, which one am I on? That one? Oh, there it is. There it is. Wish I'd stop losing my page. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one. Oh. Activate, see what happens. Okay. Open. Yeah, I want to run this. Okay, protect me. Close. That was the first one. The second one. I'll go ahead and give that one a 0. So 1, 0. Alright. Next one. Alright, sorry, I had to pause here. Wow, I haven't seen one of those in forever. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit remove all. Issues were resolved. I'm going to go ahead and try and run this. And so far, I really don't know. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next one. Crap. Alright. Sweet. Something image.exe. Oh, it's a puzzle. Try and put it together. No, that doesn't go there. Where's it supposed to go? I don't know. Alright, this is really stupid. I'm afraid to hit these X's. Oh, great. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Exit. And... woo! I'm gonna go and give this a name. It keeps bugging me. Ah! Okay. There. Do your thing. No, I'm gonna give this one a 0. I'm gonna call this one junk. Okay, legacy unlocker. Did I see that right? bit.exe. That's a small executable. Alright, protect me. Great job. Great job. That's been caught. Gosh. I can't think. Good job, AVG. +1 for you. Pop.exe. That sounds like something you would drink at lunchtime. As you can see, I'm doing anything and everything I can to run these. Okay, so +1 for AVG. As I get further on down the list, these things are more easily detected. So, oh, whoops. Alright, the one with a bunch of random numbers. I love this toolbar. Political issues. Yeah, run that. Oh, Chinese. Oh gosh. Well, I'm gonna call that one junk. I'm gonna let that one slide. I don't know if someone actually run into something like that. Okay. I need to be more careful when I choose these links. Protect me. Fantastic. I'm gonna give that one a 1+. It really caught that one right away. I'd rather just block stuff versus let it get infected. Although it may stop it and then remove the file, but I'd rather see it just keep it from starting to run, you know? Yeah, that's the best thing. Alright, this was an interesting one. Protect me. Good job. Good job. +1. Alright. Mon 20. Oh. Alright. It's getting on him. Good job. Effective. Oh no! Don't ever minimize my desktop. Or minimize to my desktop. Alright. I'm just gonna play with this one. Gosh, this thing's getting slow. Oh, I see what I did. Oh, that one. Yeah, good job, AVG. Oh, it's slow. Alright, good job. Perfect. If you want to, you can fast forward to the end of this. Seriously, don't waste your time. Okay. You know, or I mean, like to the end of the AVG test, and then look at the end of the Avast test, and then look at my conclusion. That might be more helpful. But if you want to watch this, see how it does. That'd be fine too, or whatever you want to do. Don't let me dictate your decisions. Okay. Oh, this one's it. Alright. Alright, so that's that one I'll give a 1. Alright, almost done. Minecraft. Okay. Oops. I'm just loading junk onto this computer. Sure, why not? I'm just gonna call this one junk. Alright, second to the last one will do. Alright, this one I never tested, so alright, the calc one. Alright, man, the last one. Oops, my hell if I selected. Alright. Calc.exe run. Disregard. And caught it. Okay, one. Hit close here. Close all tabs. Computer's running nice and slow. There's some junk running in here. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Checking for updates. Okay, has some updates to do. Alright. This computer here is slow. As you can see, the CPU usage is up there. It's really up there. 60%. I mean, this is dual core. The memory usage is kind of up there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scan this computer for rootkits. I'm going to go ahead and start with that. Actually, AVG is good at finding TDL rootkits and repairing those. They have actually a tool for that. Another thing I don't like about AVG is the ads. Okay, so nothing was found. Go ahead and scan whole computer. The scan should go fairly quick. Okay, so scan has completed. Took care of a backdoor and a Trojan horse dropper. I would say those are pretty severe. Let's take a look at the CPU usage. Still abnormal. I think I took care of that thing in there. Well, that's kind of interesting. Really is. So now it's time for me to move on to Avast. Okay, so here I am ready to start Avast, but real quick I want to take a snapshot, and I'm just going to say before test. Okay, take a snapshot real quick, so if I need to go back, I can. Okay, what I decided to do is actually do a express install of the product, so it kind of gives an equal product comparison. Really, this is supposed to be a solution comparison, but you know, I want to kind of give a mixture of both worlds. So go ahead and do the express install. Yep, without manage client. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, it's going to create a system restore point. Okay. I don't think AVG does that, so that kind of adds to the time. Okay. 15 seconds. Okay. Okay, it's still installing. Okay, so it says it's finished. Go ahead and hit finish. Okay, it's
Welcome to Avast.
Oh, lovely. Okay, so I'm going to open that up and antivirus. I forgot how to update it.
Scan has been completed.
Okay, so it initially does a scan. It did a scan. Install, you know, only took about 1:30. Okay. It has all this other stuff that it installed that I usually would not install. We're gonna kind of get a visual comparison of how long the updates compare. Now, if you want to compare the GUI of the endpoint product to the free products here, I'm moving it around. They're different. Actually, the free products GUI used to look like this one. For some reason, they're always a few steps behind with the GUI, but that's not really a problem, in my opinion. So here we're installing. And I'm open Task Manager. CPU usage is kind of up there too with this one. It's not as high per se. Okay.
Avast virus database has
So
been
the
updated.
update time was about the same. You know, that was an initial update without, you know, the original definitions. Okay, so like I did before, I'm going to go ahead and reboot. Get ready to time in on the startup. And again, open browser, get Google open. And now, hopefully this works about the same. So I gotta please wait, the post welcome screen. Now some of this performance decrease can have a little bit something to do with me saving the virtual machine state before I opened it. So, you know, yeah, it's just a web rep. So, you know, that boot up took longer. I'll say it took about a minute. Okay. Alright. So it does have more features. It is a more loaded application. You know, that's kind of what you expect. So, you know, it maybe does scans at boot time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and disable this. Personally, not a fan of it. I really use like Web of Trust. So yeah, let's go ahead and get our test started here. Alright, so tools, search malware database, and let's take a look at the first one, Joy download. Okay, let's go. Let's see what happens here. I think this one was missed the other night when I did it, and I think it was also missed by AVG. Well, AVG picked it up. Avast is not. Avast is scanning it now, however, so. Uh-oh. Search, protect. So right now, I'm gonna give Avast a 0. Alright, Windows update. Stop downloading updates. Okay, next one. Okay. Very rare. I'm gonna say okay. It's denied. So I'm gonna give that one a 1. Avast missed that one. Oh shoot. I don't know why I keep doing that, but oh well, I'll learn one of these days. Run. Yeah. Okay, all kinds of junk is getting installed. Okay. Took care of that one. I'm gonna say 1, 2 for this one. Halfway, did something about it. Alright, so I'm gonna go on here to the next one. Alright, so block that. So 1 for Avast DirectX.
Threat
Blocked.
has been detected.
Perfect. I'll jam. Oh, yeah, I kind of remember this one. Great, close my browser. Source last session.
Threat has been detected.
Johnny.exe, where did... Yuck. No, finally, lock that one. Give this one a 0. Sure, change it. Mess up my computer. Close program. Hey, what do you know? Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna learn how to lose 25 pounds, start 21 pounds in 3 weeks. That'd be great. See what happens when I click on this. And it just takes me over to Good Housekeeping, not necessarily a bad website. That one, I'm gonna give it a half because it did not load. Yeah, sorry folks. Oh, yep, political issues, toolbar. Run. Oh yeah. Terminate now. Agree. I agree to screw up my computer. Oh man. DirectX. Okay. That one's blocked. Zero. 1. See, it's getting 1s on a lot of these junk ones.
Threat has been detected.
Okay, so that one was blocked. Good. DLP. Oops. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's give that one a nice 0.
Threat has been detected.
Okay. I had this come up earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 1. Let's check out this little bot here. Gosh dang it. I can't get anything legit now at this point. Let me... Oh, man. There we go. I'm gonna call this one junk. Or 0. Be even. Alright, so Avast is
Threat has been detected.
okay, so I'm gonna give this one a 1 where Avast had a 0. Okay. You're all dealing with puzzles.
Threat has been detected.
Malware blocked. Okay. Bit.exe. Go to the real site. Run, disregard.
Threat has been detected.
Blocked. Good job. Pop.exe.
Threat has been detected.
Block the Trojan dropper that it found. Good. I would consider that one a miss on AVG's part. Okay, so continue exclusion. Okay, so I'm going to say blocked it. It was unable to run. Okay, so what I mean by that was unable to run, it was running in the sandbox. And when that program went to, I guess, attempt to access certain parts of the operating system, it couldn't do it, and it shut down. So that's kind of my theory of what happens there in that situation. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. I'm kind of disappeared. I'm gonna say I don't know at this point. Okay, that's a Weebly site.
Threat has
Perfect
been detected.
block. Mon 20.
Threat has been detected.
Good. Oh no, it crashed. Okay. Okay. RBT. Oh, yep. Let's, give this one a 0. This one was dead. Okay, I missed that one. Thought I did. Oh, these are kind of moving around on me.
Threat has been
Okay,
detected.
good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and Minecraft. I'm gonna try that one more time. Minecraft comes alive. Okay, it's doing things to the computer. Okay. Junk. I'm gonna try this one again. Bitcoin.
Threat has been detected.
Okay. This one has a 1. Just to clear up any confusion, let's try out calc. Okay, it's sandboxing it. Computer's becoming Less and less responsive. That one's dead. Uh-oh. Machine. See where we're at on time. 31. Okay, so yeah, that's great. At this point, I'm probably gonna get mad and just unplug the computer. Let's just go ahead and reset it. Let's start normally. Okay, so sure, why not? Oh, having network connectivity issues. We'll give it some time. Okay. Leave me alone. There we go. Okay. So Safe Kenda Pro. Alright, let's do this one. Let's go ahead and throw some more at it. Malware block. Yeah. Leave me alone. Okay, it's a www. Let's just throw some more at it. This is fun. I think you hopefully wisen up and not install toolbar. Oh, this is a good one.
Threat has been detected.
This is a good one.
Threat has been detected.
Okay, yep, block that one. So it's pretty consistent. Okay. So, I mean, it's pretty ridiculous, all the things that are going on here. Okay, so security, antivirus, full system scan. I'm gonna let her do that, and I'll be back. I think it's got to do a reboot and boot time scan. So, like I said, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll be back and let you know the results, and then we'll kind of compare the two products. Real quick before I forget, I want to take a look at the CPU usage. Granted, it is doing a scan right now, but from what I recall, it's not quite as high as AVG. The memory usage is definitely lower, which is good. Alright, so I'm going to let this scan finish. Okay, scan completed, didn't find anything. I'm going to go ahead and schedule a boot time scan. Okay, and I'm going to, well, restart. I'll be back on that. Well, okay. You get to see it start and what it looks like. In the meantime, what I'm doing is I'm deleting like results. Okay, so here I am. Here's a perfect example of it finding something. I'm going to select 2 to delete it all. Okay. Pause again. Okay, so what I found out was the question mark one, it did not find it in real time, so I'm gonna have to give it a 0. Unfortunately. But these I'll cancel out. This is really, if it removes junk, I'm gonna give it a +1. Or detects junk and takes care of it. So, anyways, I'll be back with more results. Okay, so for the results, far as numbers and points go, Avast wins with 2.5 more points out of, like, say, well, there's 25 altogether. So, you know, that kind of speaks, you know, for itself. Get a little higher percentage. Now, in round 3, I'm gonna do another round with some more links, and I'm just gonna kind of see how it does with the security settings turned up higher, and you know, the way I configure it in a real world environment. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how that does. So I'm just gonna run through, do a bunch of links real quick, and just see how the system's running. And right now, scan's still going, so I'll be back once more. Okay, so found nothing more. Just logging in the windows now. Okay, this is annoying. I see this a lot. It gets past a lot of antiviruses. So, I can't really counter it against any of them. You know, this has kind of been a hard test. I don't really have access to good malware samples. So, you know, here in the end, Avast scores with 2.5 more points. So, you know, kind of gave AVG a little bit of benefit, kind of gave Avast a little benefit when I did the final results. Okay, so I did my math here, taking most things into consideration. Avast had an 8% increase in percentage above AVG's results. Okay. Yeah, my math was weird, but I think I figured that out correctly. If you look at it here, it's a complete, you know, night and day comparison. You know, didn't do anything here, didn't do anything here, so let's do our percentage here. 2.5 divided by 3. I don't know what I just did here. 2.5 divided by 3. It gets 83% versus 0. So that's an 83% difference. So somewhere around 8%, there's a 8% benefit in detection, I guess, performance, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so yeah. I'm not even sure where I want to begin at this point. You know, it's kind of disappointing that all this stuff got through. It's kind of disappointing, really, to see all these things out there. They're just annoying, you know, out there to get you. So, I guess that concludes this part. However, yeah, let's say this concludes this part. So, I'm going to move on to removing, uninstalling all these things that I can. Then I'm going to come back with a scan, and I'm going to see who has the most, I guess, remnants. So I'm going to compare it against 2 different scans. So, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so here's what I'm going to do. Whoops, did not mean to click on that one. I forgot that I have network drive. That can also increase my login time. Also, I'm going to check that right there. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna get rid of this. No. It's gone. Search product. Oh, this is kind of cool. It takes you back to the way you were. Okay. Wait for that to go. Okay, maybe it'll go away. I don't know. Go ahead and get rid of the political issues toolbar. Optimizer Pro, please. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of this media player. Get rid of hotspots shield. That kind of messed with my network connections, I think. I could be wrong, but yeah, it was definitely something annoying. Okay, complete. Close. Don't reinfect me. Yes, get rid of the toolbar. Pure leads. My PC backup. Oh, thanks. Unpin this. Unpin. Okay, I only got one thing left to uninstall. Next. Alright, can get rid of this stupid thing. See. That's interesting. Delete. Continue. Program files. Try it. Alright, so I'm just gonna delete this folder. Oops. Get rid of this. And go ahead and run disk cleanup because I'm too lazy to get CCleaner. See what's going on with my network connections. Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Okay, better reboot. Okay, so I go back to the computer, see program files, get rid of conduit. Okay, my app data. Okay. So that's what I consider clean. I'm gonna go ahead and restart. Okay, maybe the internet works. Hey, it does. Okay, internet works now. That's good. He's working again. So since I just uninstalled and deleted that stuff, you know, nothing was active. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and get the AVG box going. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Task Manager. As you can see, CPU usage is just up there. And now. Yeah, so there we go. Alright, I got that program to crash there. Wow. Look at this hard drive. It is full. I don't know what's on it, but it is full. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and reboot. Actually, yes. I'm gonna reboot. Okay, so let's okay, leave me alone. Okay, well, you guys have pretty well seen the process. I'm going to go ahead and run the same process again. Hey, when I was uninstalling stuff, this popped up. It was in the temp folder, Chrome uninstaller, whatever. Yeah, I just want to show that. So, hey, maybe another point for AVG. But that was kind of weird after I ran a scan. So there's definitely some stuff going on in the background. That's kind of interesting, but we'll see. We'll see what happens when we get all done. And here it pops up again. Go ahead and finish up here while recording at least the installation of these products. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna reboot now. Okay, so here I'm back. I've got a little more drive space. Let's go ahead and please go to the home page. I'm gonna go ahead and settings, reset, delete personal data. Okay, so you know what? The file hippo for mbam. Sure, why not? Lovely. Okay, perform a quick scan. Also, I better go to Google. Little program called Herd Protect. I'm gonna go ahead and download that. Let that run. Found 7 objects with malwarebytes. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the other machine, unfreeze that, and Let it perform a quick scan. Oh, 56 results. I'm gonna go ahead and check all items. Pup, registry key. A lot of these are just registry keys. Trojan. Yeah. Rogue. Just nothing really serious. So far, nothing found from Avast. Although it should find some stuff. I'm interested to see how it does. I'm gonna go ahead and just 56 was the number. Okay. Boot up times right about the same. Okay, so AVG, MBAM, scan 56. Okay. Fast MBAM scan. I don't know yet. Okay. Well, found 36. Rogue. Trojan. Check all items. Remove selected. Okay. Go ahead and restart. What was it? 39? Okay. Okay. There's a Trojan in there. I don't know if it was active or not. Go ahead and remove selected for AVG. Yeah, go ahead and restart. I'm not sure what's going on here. It might have something to do with like the cloning of the system. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and run herd protect. I agree. Launch herd protect. Go over here to the Avast one. I'm gonna go ahead and put these side by side here. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'll be back. Alright, so results from Herd Protect. Let me minimize this here. Minimize this, start from the bottom. Kind of go up. As you can see, the AVG side has a little bigger bar, meaning it found more objects. And then on the Avast side, there was less objects. And this here, view, I can go back here and temp. Just delete that. Okay. Well, that's actually a lot of the stuff. I can do that. Yeah, I mean, there's stuff in the temp folder. It's mainly stuff in the temp folder. AVG itself, this false positive. I'm sure most of this stuff, but yeah. This is some that can be deleted. You know, most of these things, they're really false positives. But as you can see, under adware/pups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then for Herd Protect over here, 1, 2, 3. Inconclusive. Oh, this is inconclusive. I know that's malware. Or pups. Unclassified. Yeah, this one's a obvious one. I just deleted that one earlier by hand. And inconclusive. Yeah. Oh, that's a pup. That's a pup. But, you know, these things aren't running. It's just a matter of how the system cleaned up. You know, it's, in the end, it's kind of hard to say, but it does look like Avast did a better job with cleaning up. You know, the scan only found one object, where the scan in AVG found 2 objects. You know, it's most of my results, or if not all, are leaning towards the Avast side. Okay. You know, what I have to say for that, I'm not totally sure, but, you know, test results, they're good. So, I'm going to go ahead and shut down this machine. And I'm going to take a save the state. See if that for future references, close, force it to shut down. Or just temp shot, restore. Avast test. First, let's see. Second, Avast test. Yeah, this one has NIC problems. Let me stuff. Go ahead and restart. I'll be right back. Alright, so here I am. I'm all ready to go. Let's go ahead and go full screen. Bam, here we are. Okay, let's go ahead and launch it. Custom install. Next, that's fine. Trial mode, that's fine. Custom. Mail shield, PDP, IM, network shield, script shield. I'm going to say network, web, file shield I'm going to leave. Sandbox I'm going to leave. Browser protection, remote assistance, net client, and software updater I'm going to remove. Next. Installing is just a client. Next. Kind of get a rough idea how long this takes compared to before. Okay.
Welcome to Avast.
Yeah, thanks for welcoming me. Okay, so we're gonna update the definitions. While it's going on, I might as well go into the settings, and it took less than a minute for the installation to do its thing. Uh-oh. Okay. Virus chest, pop-ups. Don't want to see monthly security reports. Updates, automatically update the program. Basics. Sounds. Disabled sounds. Gaming. Put it silent in gaming mode. Okay, so I'm just gonna say okay. High sensitivity. Scan for pups. That's a big one. I really don't like pups at all. Collisions, web scanning. Okay. Network shield. File system shield. Settings. Auto sandbox. That's enabled. Okay. Scan all writing. Scan when opening. Advanced. Actions. Pup. Auto sandbox. Oh, sensitivity. Scan for pups. Okay. Now that's done. Whoops. You can click where I want to tonight. Okay. Now let's go to our browser. malcode.com. Numlock. Okay. I'm gonna try to get all the same ones I've had before. I'm gonna abuse it a little bit. Let it run. Let it run. Well, there goes my web browser. Go ahead and do your analyzing. Ooh, I forgot to see, this thing hasn't even updated yet. Nor have I done a reboot. That's just not fair at all. Hang on, let me restart here. Okay, let's get started again here. Let's up the date. Alright, this thing's just driving me nuts. Alright, I'm going to start down here. That one's not very useful. What happened? Oh, Avast blocked that one. It looks like Avast probably blocked that one too. Nah. I don't understand how that sandbox works. Maybe that one got blocked. Maybe blocked. A lot of these appear to be blocked. 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 Probably blocked. Maybe blocked. See how it does against this media player. Accept it all, accept it all. Oh my gosh. No telling how much it's gonna put in here. Sure, why not? I don't even know. Okay. I'm not sure how severe these problems are gonna get. We'll see, we'll see. I mean, we're really abusing this much worse than before. Continue exclusion, continue exclusion. Oh, now we're blocked. Okay, good job. Auto sandbox determined that something was malicious. Okay. Probably nothing. It ain't loading yet. It's connecting. I'll go ahead and open up a new tab here. Nothing there apparently. Trying to make this fairly quick and blocked for sure. Oh. I'll just ignore that one. Minimize. Close that. This one's taking forever. I have a real player now, which is really not bad. I now have Chrome. DVD decryptor. Not necessarily a bad app. Oh. Yeah. Can't really stop toolbars from happening. Only thing, maybe this political issues toolbar. I'm just doing everything I can to make this function like I wanted to. Okay. Okay. Continue. Okay. Oh, PC Optimizer is now installed. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Tech Hotline. Yes. Yeah. Restore my last session. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one and this one. Please unlock. Exit. Oh. Some pop up. Whatever. Thought I disabled Google Toolbar. There's 2 of them. Get rid of favorites. Really abusing the heck out of this. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Quit trying to bring me pop-ups. I don't like that. Oh. Oh yeah, I know it blocks this one. Should, anyways. Yeah. Forgot about my open DNS. It might be blocking some of these viruses. And look at what I have now. Nice little add-on. On 20. I feel like I've cancel. Yeah. Load this one up. Yeah. Pop.exe. Gosh. And our Explorer just keeps crashing on me. Something awful. Look at this fake ad that's on here. Oh my gosh. Explorer quits working. That actually might not be so bad. I'm gonna use Chrome. Don't ask again. No data received. Lovely. Some more crap. Alright, maintenance, virus chest. You can see a number of things in here, and some of them starting to just duplicate. I'm going to implement a boot time scan. Okay, that's scheduled for the reboot, and I'm going to restart. I'll be back with the results. Okay, so wow, there's actually a lot less stuff than I expected to be on the desktop. Let's go ahead and clean up this junk. What the deal is on this? Oh wait, I think I'm already deleted it. Yeah, I did. Okay. I've had a lot of time on this project here, so I'm starting to lose it. Alright, I'm gonna pause, be back with the Malwarebytes scan. Okay, so here's the Malwarebytes results. 180. Wow. Whoops. Check all items. Those are my downloads. Pup. Oh my gosh. Google Chrome. Why? Yeah, that's why they want to install Google Chrome. Oh my gosh. So there's this Trojan AB agent, which probably isn't running. So really, it's just a bunch of bunch of little remnants. Yeah, Google Chrome has all this junk in it. So, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the selected. Gonna restart, and I'll be back. Okay, so starting at the bottom of inconclusive, ftalk, I prefer not to have that. That's in temporary internet files. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. This I could get rid of. This I could get rid of. Yeah, this I could get rid of. I know it's something I downloaded earlier. It's unclassified malware. But this I can get rid of. This. Oh yeah, I forgot to go in program files. That. I mean, the rest of this stuff, most of it's in temporary internet files. Most of it is not active. I mean, it's really just adware. It's nothing really serious. I'd rather not have it on there, but you know, yeah, can't have any antivirus that picks up adware perfectly. Adware is hard to catch, so okay, I'm making sure I'm recording. That's funny. Malwarebytes didn't pick that up, but this did. If you catch what I was saying. So, you know, they did a better job this time, I think, of keeping everything clean. Didn't do you know, I can't say it did a phenomenal job, but you know, nothing does a phenomenal job when it comes to dealing with a bunch of adware. I mean, most of the stuff I downloaded, it was adware. There was a backdoor and stuff like that, but like I've said, I can't get very good malware samples, at least right now. So, anyways, I really personally think that it would be a better solution. First of all, let me mention my configurations. I've got a password on everything. First of all, to access the, management console, you got to type in the password. You know, you got security, you got antivirus, you got tools. I don't know. Site blocking. I gotta put in my password again. It's kind of dumb. I set it up that way, but you know, for example, we want to block Facebook.com. I could block that. MySpace.com. It'd be helpful to put these in. I'm pretty sure you'd be able to manage that with the management console, so that'd be really handy. And then I kind of churn up the settings. Web Shield settings, password, sensitivity. Again, my sensitivity's high. Scan for pups. File system shield. Again, settings. Sensitivity high. Scan for pups. So, I got the network shield going, I got the web shield going, I got the file system shield. So, all in all, this is a good solution. I'm not sure how it compares against Sophos and Viper and Symantec, but I kind of get the vibe that it's somewhere in the middle of those. So, anyways, I think that's pretty much it far as testing goes. Now let's go ahead and review real quick what information we know. We had more remnants after AVG. After the cleanup after AVG, we had more remnants. AVG did not seem to catch as much. I did a lot of use to the system the second time around. I did the Avast, and it's handled it probably even better than it did previously. So the sensitivity was up a little higher on things, which was fine. And if you're in a situation where you have a low budget, for security software, an environment, library, school, that's a non-profit, then great choice. Go and show the website right here. Avast, free for schools, for education, whatever. But yeah, so if you need this, gosh, just look here, this map. This is something awesome to look at. Look at all the places that use it. So up to it has in between 5 and 30,000 endpoints with the Microsoft operating system. I wouldn't pass it up. I mean, it's free. Definitely pick it over AVG, whether it's licensed to the use or not. So, yeah. Anyways, if you have any questions about what I did or anything like that, post a comment. Well, message me, please. Don't personal comment if you really have a question you want to ask me about something. It's just technical, whatever. I'd probably be glad to answer that. So, I check my YouTube notifications pretty often. So, anyways, that wraps this up. I gotta get to editing. Probably not gonna do that tonight, but it's coming soon. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to subscribe, go ahead. I plan on putting up more videos. So, anyways, take care. I'll talk to you guys later.